How's it going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video with the House Money Investor channel. In today's video, I got some great stock picks for you guys. Got some crypto, and we're gonna look at 15 stocks that I just purchased. So let's jump right into it. If you like to check my content, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell if you want to follow my journey. Hit the description below if you want to read about what my channel is all about. As well as hit those affiliate links for free stocks, free shares. And lastly, follow me on any social media platform, all in the description below. Starting out here, where to invest in the next $10,000 in a market crash. And the company I got for you guys is Vena Systems, ticker VEEV. Now this segment of my videos I'm going to cut out. I'm only going to show you guys the companies I actually add to my watch list when I add them. Some of these stock picks I already have on my watch list, so you may see them in multiple different videos depending on the market. So from here on out, I'm just going to show it to you guys one time, and that'll be when I add it or when I buy it or sell it. Next, we got HOMEBUILDER's ETFs rally as housing stays hot. We got two ETFs for you guys: iShares U.S. Home Construction ETF, ticker ITB. We got Spider S&P HOMEBUILDER's ETF, ticker XHB. And we got Broader Hoyer Capital Housing ETF, ticker HOMZ. Got three growth stocks that could be the next 10 baggers. We got Jumia Technologies, ticker JMIA. We got Roku, ticker ROKU, and we got Carecash REIT, ticker CTRE. Jumia and Roku are two stocks that I already own in my long-term portfolio. As you can see here, I added ITB, which is the iShares Dow Jones U.S. Home Construction, to my watch list, as well as I added the XHB Spider S&P HOMEBUILDERS ETF to my watch list. This here is a Cryto ADA in the Toro app. If you watch crypto, or if you keep up with crypto, then you would know that some FOMO going on with Cryto. So, luckily for me, I'm already a holder of it, and of course a beneficiary of the FOMO. Is it $1.20 per coin? On the day, it was up 10.66%, up 11 cents. I put in $81. It's now valued at $207.27. It is up 155.89%. Total dollar gain of $126.27. So more than double my money here in Cryto. Next here is the Coinbase portfolio. In my last video, it's probably valued around $16. I bought some more crypto, of course, which I showed you guys when I did that. It's now valued at $185.75. Take a look at some of my holdings here. We got Bitcoin, Uniswap, Chainlink, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Zcash, Ethereum, OMG Network, Wrap Bitcoin. We got Zcash, Zinc, Ethereum. Oh, I already named those. Tezos, Yearn Finance, DAI, Stellar, EOS. Alright, we got $16 in value on Bitcoin. Uniswap, we have a little over half a coin, valued at $13.55. Chainlink, we have almost half a coin, valued at $13.46. We got 7% of a Litecoin, valued at $13.17. We got 2% of a big cash coin, at around $13. Got about 10% of a Zcash at around $13. $13 worth of Ethereum. We got 2.8 coins of OMG Network, valued at $13.06. Got about $12 worth of wrapped Bitcoin. We have almost 3.5 coins of Tezos, valued at $12.91. We got about $12 a year in finance. We got over 12 coins of DAI. We got over 30 coins of Stellar, valued at $12.32. And we got a little over 3 EOS coins, valued at $12.02. Added this stock to my watch list, ticker PI. Check it out. Now we're going to look at the 20 stocks I bought. If you watch my videos, you will know that I am buying a lot of ETFs this month and next month. Putting probably about $16,000 to $18,000 into ETFs, as I need to. I'm already in over 1,000 stocks for the long term, so I'm very super diversified. Many would say over diversified, but I own a lot of companies, and I love ETFs because they just give you so much diversification. As you can tell, I'm big on diversification. It just lowers my risk so much. If I have 1,000 something companies and 200 of them take a dump, I still got 800 that's going to hold it up and run it up. So, the strategies worked out for me very well as of, now, as, so far as I've been investing. But, yeah, dividends give me even more diversification and what I believe to be lower volatility because of that diversification. Plus, I get a wide range of different things and different companies and sectors all in a few ETFs. Companies that I probably would have never heard of or found, I may get them in an ETF. So starting out here, we bought ITB, $26 worth. This is all in the public account. These are all long-term holds. We got an iShares US Home Construction ETF, which you just seen me add this one to the watch list. I just recommended this stock to you guys. So as you see, when I do recommend stocks, I do add them and I do buy them. Then we purchased $27 worth of DermTech Inc. They do dermatology and stuff like that. Then we purchased $28 worth of Schwab US Dividend Equality ETF. So a great dividend paying ETF here. We placed $29 worth of Pinnacle West Capital, another dividend stock. Great financial stock. Purchased $30 of iShares Core EAFE, which is a stock dealing with like European countries, Australia, things of that nature. Then we purchased $31 of Wisdom Tree US High Dividend Fund, another great dividend play. Purchased $32 worth of Wisdom Tree China X State-Owned Enterprise Fund. So these would be Chinese companies that are owned 20% or less by the state. Then we purchased $33 worth of Dick's Sporting Goods. Everybody should know what Dick's Sporting Goods is. They sell athletic apparel, stuff like that. I personally go there sometimes, buy like hats, socks, slides, maybe guns or ammo, but at the moment, they're very slim pickings on that sort of thing. Then we got $34 worth of IWR, which is iShares Russell Midcap ETF. So this is going to be dealing with the Russell 2000, mid-cap stocks. Then we got IBKR, $35 of Interactive Brokers, which is a brokering firm. Then we purchased $36 in Merck. Great long-term play. I own it in several portfolios. Very, very great stock there. Then we got $37 of TOKU. This is iShares. Can't pronounce that ETF. These are the companies that are right outside of Japan. Then we got $38 worth of Wisdom Tree Japan SmallCap Dividend Fund. As you can see, guys, just in these few purchases, you got exposure to Japan, things outside of Japan, China, companies outside of China, Europe, Australia. You want to diversify outside of the United States market as well. There's other markets, there's other great companies. I know sometimes it's hard to keep track of those foreign countries. You may not understand their fundamentals or be able to keep up with their news. It may be in a whole nother language, who knows, but buying a dividend, an ETF will give you exposure. And like if you got hedge funds that are, or ETF funds or index funds that are well known, like Wisdom Tree, Schwab, iShares, things of that nature, you can trust their picks and you can just buy the whole ETF and know that they're going to have their best interest, which is going to lead to your best interest, you know, when it comes to investing your money. Then we bought $39 worth of First Trust NASDAQ Clean Edge Green Energy Index Fund. Everybody knows clean energy is a big hype up. Biden's pushing for it, so of course we're going to see the shift from fossil fuels to clean energy over the next several decades. And then lastly, we bought $40 worth of iShares MSCI KLD 400 Social ETF, and this is basically just the top 400 companies in the New York Stock Exchange that are committed to doing, you know, positive, non-sin-like things as companies. You know, doing, you know, good gestures, good deeds. You know, a company that you would look at and say, hey, you know, they're doing the right thing. Not a sin stock company that sells cigarettes. You know, it's the total opposite of that. So these are the best 400 companies that are committed to doing, you know, positive or great things, you know, as a company. It's like an ESG stock, basically. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. That is some of the video. I showed you my 15 picks. I will be dropping another video tomorrow, as well. I showed you guys some of my crypto movement, gave you guys some nice stock picks. The buy zone is my last video I dropped. If you want to check it out, this is the thumbnail. I will be dropping this video. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell, follow my journey, and I'll catch you in the next one.